Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and quietly asked yourself, when did my body start shrinking? Your arms don't look as full as they used to. Your chest seems flatter, your legs less powerful, and maybe, just maybe, you've started noticing little aches that weren't there before. Getting up from a chair takes a bit more effort, and climbing stairs feels more demanding than it used to. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. There's actually a scientific name for what you're experiencing. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It's real, it's progressive, and the truth is, if you're over 50, you're losing muscle right now, even if you feel perfectly fine. But here's the amazing news, and I mean really amazing. Recent research from leading institutions like Harvard University and the Mayo Clinic reveals that certain simple exercises can do much more than just slow muscle aging. They can actually reverse it. That's right. You don't have to accept becoming a weaker, slower, or older version of yourself. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful exercises, each backed by cutting-edge science, that will reignite muscle growth, restore strength, and bring back that sense of energy and power you thought was gone forever. No gimmicks, no heavy gym sessions, just smart, functional movements designed specifically for men and women over 50. So let's begin. Exercise 1, Wall Push-Up Hold, Isometric Press. At first glance, this one looks almost too simple. You're just standing and pressing your hands against a wall. But don't let that simplicity fool you. This isometric movement packs serious anti-aging power. Why it works. Studies show that isometric contractions, where your muscles tense up without actually moving, are one of the most effective ways to maintain strength, rebuild neuromuscular control, and improve joint stability. A 2023 meta-analysis published in Frontiers in Physiology found that older adults actually gain more benefit and safety from isometric holds than from traditional high-impact resistance workouts. That means, after 50, holding is better than pounding. Muscles targeted: chest, pectoralis major, shoulders, anterior deltoid, triceps, core stabilizers, all without compressing your spine or overloading your shoulder joints. Common trouble zones for aging adults. How to do it. Stand about 1 foot away from a wall. Place your palms flat against the wall at chest height, elbows slightly bent. Push into the wall as if you're trying to move it. Engage your chest, arms, and core. Hold for 20 seconds, breathing normally. Rest 10 seconds. Repeat 3 rounds. To increase difficulty, step slightly farther back or try using one hand at a time. Exercise 2, Wall Sit, Isometric Leg Hold. This one is a silent destroyer of weakness, and the best part? You don't need any equipment. Why it works. Wall sits are an isometric lower body powerhouse. They target your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and even your core and lower back stabilizers. Recent studies show that isometric holds like wall sits can improve muscular endurance, blood pressure control, and leg strength better than traditional dynamic movements, and with far less joint stress. If you suffer from knee pain, hip stiffness, or tight joints, this exercise is your new best friend. How to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slowly slide down until your knees form a 90 degrees angle, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your heels planted and feet shoulder width apart. Engage your quads and glutes. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest 30 seconds and repeat 3 rounds. To modify, if 90 degrees is too much, start with a smaller bend. 45 degrees works great. Over time, go lower. Progress slowly, but stay consistent. Exercise 3, Knee Plank Hold, Core Stability Reset. Now, I know what you're thinking. Planks again? Yes, but with a smart twist for men and women over 50. The traditional plank can be hard on your shoulders and lower back if your form slips. That's why this knee plank variation is so effective. It activates your entire core while minimizing strain. Why it works. The core isn't just about six-pack abs. It's your spine stabilizer, posture protector, balance buffer, and internal power center. It even affects your breathing, digestion, and hormone regulation. A 2023 EMG, electromyography, study found that the knee plank activates almost the same amount of core muscle as the full plank, but with far less stress on the spine. Perfect for rebuilding safely. How to do it. Get into a forearm plank position, but rest your knees on the floor. Keep a straight line from shoulders to knees. Engage your abs, glutes, and pelvic floor. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 rounds. Tip. Keep your hips level. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. Exercise 4, Wall Y Raises, Postural Reboot. At first glance, it might look like nothing, but this exercise is a hidden gem for posture and strength. Why it works. Wall Y raises target the lower traps, rhomboids, rear delts, and thoracic extensors, the deep postural muscles that keep your spine aligned and your shoulders pulled back. Most people never train these directly, and once they weaken, posture collapses. The result? Rounded shoulders, forward neck posture, tight chest, reduced lung capacity, and even hormonal imbalance. A 2023 Journal of Aging research study linked improved posture with better balance, reduced fall risk, and healthier testosterone regulation. Standing tall doesn't just look better, it feels better chemically. How to do it? Stand with your heels, glutes, upper back, and head touching the wall. Raise your arms overhead into a Y shape, palms facing forward, thumbs up. Try to keep arms and wrists in contact with the wall. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, squeezing shoulder blades down and back. Rest 20 seconds. Repeat 3 rounds. It might feel hard at first, that's good. Activation, not perfection, is what counts. Exercise 5. Supine breathing bridge, recovery and regeneration. This one sounds almost too easy, but don't skip it. It's the ultimate recovery move your body has been begging for. Why it works. The supine breathing bridge combines glute activation, diaphragmatic breathing, and pelvic stabilization to reconnect your brain and body. Aging muscles don't just weaken, they lose connection with the nervous system. Chronic stress, poor posture, and shallow breathing all interfere with that communication. By breathing deeply while activating the glutes, you teach your body that it's safe again, and safe bodies grow again. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat, arms by your sides. Slowly lift your hips into a glute bridge, don't overarch your lower back. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your ribs. Exhale slowly through pursed lips for 6 seconds. Repeat 5 full breaths, then rest. Perform 3 sets, keeping glutes tight the entire time. This move resets your nervous system, improves sleep, and primes your body for recovery. Quick recap. You've just learned 5 simple but powerful exercises that require no gym, no fancy equipment, just your body and your decision to take back control. Wall push-up hold, strengthens chest, shoulders, arms. Wall sit, builds strong legs and supports joints. Knee plank hold, stabilizes your core and spine. Wall Y raise, corrects posture, improves breathing. Supine breathing bridge, fires up glutes, enhances recovery, and helps you rest better. Training plan, just 15 minutes a day, 3 days a week. Hold each move for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 rounds. That's it. Easy, safe, and incredibly effective for long-term strength and vitality. Why start today? Because doing nothing means faster muscle loss, weaker balance, and accelerated aging. But smart training means renewed energy, confidence, and mobility. You don't need to be 30 again, you just need to become the strongest version of your 50-plus self. If you're ready to start, comment below, I'm starting today. Like and share this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more science-based strength training designed for people over 50. Send this to a friend or brother who needs to reclaim his strength. Remember, age doesn't take your power away, it simply waits for you to take it back. And now, you're ready. Let's get started.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.